This is Black Holes Explained by Henry Cloran. When covering the topic of black holes, it's important to first talk about what a black hole actually is. A black hole is a region of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape from it. This includes light, which gives black holes their distinct black color. Next, it's important to cover who discovered black holes. The discovery of black holes began when Albert Einstein first theorized about the existence of them in 1916 through his general theory of relativity. After more theories and calculations, astronomers Louis Webster and Paul Martin discovered the first black hole over 6,000 light years away at an observatory in Britain. The next big point in black hole discovery occurred in 2019 when the Event Horizon Telescope project produced the first ever image of a black hole. Next, it's important to talk about how black holes were actually discovered. After the work of thinkers like Einstein theorized the existence of black holes, others were inspired to do more research into it, which led to the first physical evidence, which came in 1964. The evidence in question was of a blue supergiant that mysteriously was getting its gases sucked away from it. As the gas went into a mysterious place, it gave off high-energy X-rays and gamma rays that our satellites could detect. Later on in 2019, we followed this up by using a powerful telescope known as the Event Horizon Telescope to take the first picture of a black hole that helped prove their existence to anyone who didn't already believe it. Now, to cover how black holes actually form. There are many mysteries about how they form and how they come to exist, but the most well-understood way black holes are created are when massive stars come to the end of their life and implode. This causes the star to collapse in on itself and compress its matter down into a tiny space compared to the size of the original star, in a process known as stellar death. This is a diagram showing the massive star turning into a supermassive red giant, which then goes through a supernova, which results in the formation of a black hole. This is not the only way black holes form, but it is the most common way. Now, what happens to things sucked into a black hole? Matter that travels into black holes is stuck forever and can never escape, isolated from space and time for all eternity. Once inside a black hole, matter is torn apart into small subatomic components and eventually squeezed into the singularity. As more